Hey everyone, Nathan Walby here with Music Apps for All, and today I want to show you how the Songwriter app works. I'm going to click it, it'll open up a new window. When I click here, I can use these buttons right here to move throughout my song. I can also use my keyboard arrows to move, and I can go backwards just like I can go forward. If I want to see the names of the notes I'm playing, I can hit my goggles right here. It'll show me the names. And if I want to hide this background color, I can hide it. If I want to change the key, I'll press here. I can change the key. It will keep the same functions, so it just transposes the song into the new key. Now, if I want to play along with this song, I can hit my chords. I see the chords right here. They use the key bindings of 1 through 9 on my computer, so I can press it like this using my 1 key, and I can basically play this song. Let me see if I can do it. I'll say, it's a little tricky for me, but I'll say, go. I could sort of do it like that. So this is my little keyboard feature, so I can play the chords with it. I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to go right here to my edit mode. My construction hat is the edit mode. Now when I click on something, I can easily change my notes. I can move up and down on my cursor arrows will change my notes up and down. I can double click my notes and move them up and down like this. Or I can also use my key bindings and just type something in. You'll see it'll change to different notes. And as you go through this, you'll figure out what these key bindings are. Now, if I want to change a note to sharp, I can just hit here, and it'll turn it into sharp. I can take my ray and turn it flat. But there are some things that I can't do. For example, me can become flat, but a me cannot actually become sharp. So it doesn't become sharp. It'll become flat or natural. Same with fa. Fa does not become flat. So I can make it sharp, but I cannot make it flat. So there are some rules built into this, but these are my sharp and flats. If I want to move this to a new line, I can hit right here, a new line. And now I've got it right here as a new line that I can play. If I want to add a note, I can add a note just like this. If I want to add some more lyrics, I can click on my lyrics and say how I would, oops, had a cap lock on, would like, and what I'm doing is hitting spacebar and it automatically takes me to the next word. And it highlights that word so I can easily change it. How I would like to go to sleep. It's early in the morning for me right now. So I can easily change my words just like this. If I want to delete something, I just press it. I can delete it just like that. So this is the basic features of the edit key. If I want to hide a lot of this, I can hide it all down here and look at this and still be able to edit it as long as this edit key is on. So I'm going to turn it off now, and now I'm interested in saving a song. So I'm going to hit my save feature. The first thing I want to show you is that I've got a few preloaded songs right here that we can check out. I have the Star Spangled Banner, which is like a big song that you can really see how it works. But let me go to a new song. Let's say I get in here and I make a new song. Oh, I need to hit my edit key so that I can edit it. Hello, everybody. I'll just do something simple like this. So I've got my little song right here. And now I want to save it. I can go over to a paragraph key, and when I hit the paragraph key, I see that it's already created some text right here to save this song. If I copy this text, I can save it into a document and then paste it back into this later and hit submit, and it'll bring back my song. I could also just edit it right here. I could say, hello everybody, how are you doing today? Hit submit. And now I've got the rest of my notes here. Oops, I'm not in edit mode. Let me switch to edit. Yeah, I have a little typo right here. I can change it just by clicking it here. Or I could go back here And I could fix this little guy. I see what happened. Let's see if this works. Yes, and I can edit it either through this screen or I can edit it right here. It doesn't matter. So I can save my song by copying it. And now it's saved. If I come over and mess it all up by doing this, now I can't get back to the song because it's all been deleted. But if I go here, I'll just copy all of this and put in my old song, hit submit, and now my old song is back. Now if I want to save the images of this song, I can click right here, the camera. We see the camera, it says a little check mark that it's been saved, and it saved it to my clipboard. So if I go someplace else, like a slideshow, for example, I can hit Control V to paste it, and now I've got it right here. Or I could also, I'm trying to paste in a different way. There we go. Paste it just like that as well. And so I can make my song both as the text that I can save and continue to edit, or I can save it as an image and work with it like that. And so this is how our little songwriter app works. And I hope you have great success writing your own songs.